Morning, all of you. Welcome back to our class. Today, we are going to learn a new chapter, chapter 5, HTML forms. Okay. What is HTML? What is the full form of HTML? Or what is the use of HTML? How can we work with HTML? These all things we want to learn. So, before learning this chapter, I am giving you an idea about HTML language. HTML is a language. What is the full form of HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Right? What is the full form of HTML? Hypertext Markup Language. It is most widely used language to develop web pages, to create web pages, or to design or to develop website pages. Widely, HTML is used. It was created by Berners-Lee in late 1990. Right? In 1991, Berners-Lee was created or designed HTML language. The latest version of HTML is HTML5. Why to learn HTML? Originally, HTML was developed with the intention of defining the structure of documents like headings, paragraphs, lists, and so forth to facilitate the sharing of scientific information between researchers. Why to learn HTML? See, HTML was developed with the intent of defining the structure of documents like headings, paragraphs, lists, and so forth to facilitate the sharing of scientific information between researchers. Okay. Now, HTML is widely used for designing web pages. HTML is a must for students and working professionals become a great software engineer, especially when they are working in web development domain. Right? HTML is must for students. Why? If you are interested in working the web development platform, you have to learn HTML language. Using this HTML language, you can very easily design web pages. I will list down some of the key advantages of learning HTML. Okay, here I am going to explain or going to say the key advantages of learning HTML. The first one is create websites or web pages. You can create your own website or web pages using HTML language. Become a web designer If you want to start a career as a professional web designer, you must learn HTML. Right? Before working with the HTML or before proceeding with the HTML, you should have a basic knowledge with the Windows or Linux operating system. At least you know the idea about the Windows operating system before working with the HTML. Some additional knowledge you have to be before working with HTML. First one is experience with any text editor. You have an experience with the text editor. What is text editor? How it is working? How can you type in text editor? These all things you have to know. How to create directories and files on your computer. You know how to create directories and files in your computer. Then how to navigate through different directories. How to open directories, how to copy paste files in directories, how to open directories, how to move directories from one place to another. These all things you have to know. Then how to type content in a file and save them on a computer. You know how to type content in a file and how to save them on a computer. You have an idea about this. Then understanding about the images in different formats. You know that images have different formats. JPG image format, PNG image format, then JPG image format. Different formats are there. Then at least you know about the different formats for images. See, one sample program is here. This type of programs you can write using HTML. The next class we will learn how to write HTML program, save and run, and the output, what will be the output of the program, that we will learn in our next class. As I told earlier, HTML is a markup language. It is especially used for designing web pages. There are different tags are in HTML. These tags are enclosed within angle braces. See the bracket or angle bracket. Except a few tags, most of the tags have their corresponding closing tags. Opening and closing tags. Most of the HTML tags have opening and closing tags. For example, HTML. See, HTML is the opening tag and /HTML. This is the closing tag of HTML. And body /body closing tag. HTML documents uses the following tags. HTML documents uses the following tags. First one, doc tag. This tag defines the document type and HTML version. The first one is a doc type tag. It defines the document type and HTML version. The second one, HTML. This tag encloses the complete HTML document and mainly comprises of document header, which is represented by head, opening, closing, /head, closing, and document body, which is represented by body tags, opening and closing tag of body tags. Third one, head tag. This tag represents the document's header, which can keep other HTML tags like title, link, etc. Fourth one, title. The title tag is used inside the head tag to mention the document title. Title tag is mention the document title. Fifth, body. This tag represents the document's body, which keeps other HTML tags like heading, division, paragraph, etc. Then H1. This tag represents the heading. H1 tag represents the heading. The last P. This tag represents a paragraph. These are the different tags used in HTML. Okay, we will learn the applications or how can we use these tags in our program that we will learn in our next class. Heading tags. Any document starts with a heading. You can use different sizes of your headings. HTML has 6 levels of headings which use the elements H1, H2, H3, H4, H5 and H6. These are the 6 levels of headings. While displaying any heading, browser adds one line before and one line after that heading. See the sample program. The next one is paragraph tag. Next, paragraph tag. The P tag offers a way to structure your text into different paragraphs. Okay, see the program. This way we can write a program with the use of P tag. The next, line break tag. See, line break, next line. I hope that you understood this basic concept of HTML. The next class we will learn how to write HTML program, where to write, how to write, how can you save our program, and how to run the HTML program. These all things we will discuss and learn in our next class with the help of computer. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.